WhatsApp is one of the easiest places to close a sale on the internet. If you're a digital marketer selling anything at all on the internet and you're not using WhatsApp, you are losing a lot of money. And a lot of people may not understand what I'm saying, but if you're a business owner and you want to close more sales, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to be giving you some tricks on how you can close more sales as a digital marketer using WhatsApp. Number one is your WhatsApp status. You see, your WhatsApp status is just like a billboard. See it as a billboard placed on the roadside that each time people read it, they get direction to the main shop. You see, some of you who are business owners, you are not utilizing the power of the WhatsApp status, and that's because you are supposed to be consistently posting on that place. That is your billboard. That is what makes people to come into your DM and want to take action on what you are selling. So you need to always show up and put up content on that place. Use your voice most of the time because people will trust you more when they can hear your voice. That's why there is an opportunity for a voice note. Create videos and put there. That's where people are learning about who you are first, because people will always buy you first before they buy what you are selling. So put your video, put your picture, make a write-up, always talk about your business, and you are going to close more sales. It works for me a lot, and I believe it is going to work for you when you try it. The second trick you must know how to do is the use of WhatsApp voice call. One of the ways I've closed most sales is that when people come to my DM, instead of just typing text to them, I always request to call them and give them a call of clarity. And most of them won't say no. When I give them a call, we'll talk on the phone for long. WhatsApp is just a call you make using your data. You are not burning airtime. So always request for a call, because when your prospects get to hear your voice, they are always going to have it in their head that you are legit. Another thing that works perfectly for me is video call, because I have had a customer who was like, "Can I give you a video call, sir?" Yes, I said yes, because I know that what was going on in that person's mind is they want to actually see if I am the one on my DP. So always agree to get on a video call with prospects, and it will help you build trust and help you close more sales. As a marketer, if you don't get to build trust with the people who you want to sell a thing to, they will never buy from you. Another trick that works perfectly fine to help me close more sales on WhatsApp is that when people send a message using text, I usually reply with my voice explaining things to them. That is now voice note. It gives them the chance to hear what my voice sounds like, and they'll be able to believe that I know what I am doing. You see, these tricks I'm sharing with you, I use almost all of them, and I really want you to give it a try so that you see for yourself. And when you try them, do not forget to come here and tell me how it went for you. It will help me to also give you more tips on how to go about it. You see, if you are watching this video from YouTube or you're watching on Facebook, follow my page on Facebook, and if you're watching on YouTube, please give us a subscribe. The tricks I just shared with you are from my personal experiences. It worked for me 100%. You may not get the same result as I have, but just give it a try. And if this is your first time of following or subscribing, drop a comment of what you learned, and I'll send you a gift, because that's how we welcome our new followers and subscribers. My name is Kingsley Nemeka, and I am a sales coach. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.